Dance, dance.
Dance, Easton.
Easton, can you dance, dance?
He was doing something back there when me and him went back there. He went in the mom's room. He had his legs bent down. He was like, I mean, he wasn't dancing, but he was acting weird.
Maybe working on a new move.
I don't know what he was doing.
Woo! Dance, dance.
Ha ha! You like that one? You like Jake?
Oh, excuse you. You're being so funny.
He likes that show.
He does. We have this one on the DVR just in case
Oh, really?
he's getting like upset. We'll turn on Jake and he's